Let's take a look at the Alpine. The Alpine is one of our very gable featured designs with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 garage. The house itself is 156 square meters with 36 square meters of deck added on as well. The design itself is very country / forest cabin style with the roof line. Going through the actual living space, you can see here how you have a really nice higher double height ceiling. Really feature glazing that takes you through and really helps to emphasize that large void. So this is the section through here, the kitchen, living, dining, which has the elevated height in the ceilings. And then to the rear of the house is where you have your bedrooms and your bathrooms. Now, this design itself, it starts from $94,578 as your standard plan. The kit itself can be modified to suit. So if you needed to put this on an elevated floor system, or if you needed to change the layout around, we can help you with that as well.